happy Homebrew Wednesday. Just a quick catch up. It's been a few weeks. I've watched a few videos, not put many comments on. I need to comment on some of my previous videos, so apologies for that. But tonight I'm going to try potato beer. Now this came up on me suggestions of watching. So it's a guy called cuoredicioccolato. I don't know. I'll put a link to the video on what he did. Recipe. You'll see the recipe in here. So I'll say my recipe quickly, and I'll write it in at the end. I did notice on his beer it was quite a weak beer, 3.1%, so I bumped the ABV up a bit. Small batch, 11 litres, obviously. And what did I do? I added the mash. It was a pale malt, lager malt, oats, just normal rolled oats, Bulgar wheat. Now I read somewhere you can use Bulgar wheat in brewing. It may give a bit of head retention because his was a bit flat, but it looked okay. So basically, yeah, 600 grams of sweet potato, 600 grams of British red, with water, boiled it and strained off. Use the mash water, into the mash water, 7 litres for Sparge, and actually brewed this, or fermented it with Kveik yeast. It was only 4 days, so I think it's about 37.5 degrees, so 4 days, and I've left it a few more days just to condition naturally in the garage, just to cool down slightly. And this is the first try on this, so let's have a look. Cheers. New high-tech label. Best thing you can get, that, because it doesn't stick to your bottle, so but you know exactly what it is. I've done quite a few beers and I've lost what they have, so I can't send beers out I don't know what they are, so I've had to drink them. Sorry fellas, so let's let it go. Bit of a pop. Let's give it a pour. Looks pale like a lager. It does look quite a bit similar to the guys. Try and get a bit of interesting looking beer. I knew it wouldn't be clear because you got all the starches from the potatoes, but it does look almost like wheat beerish, would you say? Finger ahead. Now it's dissipated straight away, so it'll be interesting. Give it a couple of minutes and we'll just see how this goes on. So on the nose, yeah, I get the starch for potatoes, definitely. Faint hops, but not much. As I said, it wouldn't be clear. I do use Protoflock, but there you go. So cheers and happy Homebrew Wednesday. That really is. It's a pleasant drink, that. Just make sure you do go watch the other video. Did a cracking video, and I think he's Italian. He does all his videos in English, which is superb. And you know, I'm not struggling English myself. Head's going a bit now. I don't think he's showed any head whatsoever. So with that Bulgar wheat, that's it, fellas. If you know torrefied wheat, get yourself down to the supermarket, get some Bulgar wheat if you want a head retention in some kind of a beer. So. It's a short one tonight, so hope you're all okay. So I will check your videos out. I've seen Ant Rog video, Tube Dino's, Crew Wolf, what's he called now? Mark, he's got another name, hasn't he? Anyway, but I will put links to some channels, and a new guy, just Liam, so I'm going to put a link to his channel as well. Looking for 100 subscribers, may have them by now. So yeah, I've got a few years going out. Really be interesting to see what people think of it, because I think that's quite interesting beer without being too, you know, just a little bit of grain and things you find in the cupboard. Yeah, it's it. Cheers fellas. I'll slug down now. Watch the football, watch the Mighty Blues, go on. Hopefully catch you again. Cheers.